In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for Appwrite account. By the end, you'll have your account created and be ready to explore the Appwrite Cloud Console. First, open your browser and head to the official Appwrite website at appwrite.io. On the homepage, look for the button labeled Start Building for Free. It's usually prominent near the top of the page. Click that and you'll be taken to the Appwrite Cloud sign-in screen. On this screen, make sure you're on the Sign Up view. If you land on a login form, simply switch to Sign Up. You'll now see two ways to create your account. The fastest option is to continue with GitHub. If you already use GitHub for development, click the Sign Up with GitHub button. Your browser may prompt you to authorize Appwrite to use your GitHub account. Review the permissions, confirm, and you'll be brought right back to complete the process. This option keeps everything synced with your existing developer identity, which is handy. If you prefer not to use GitHub, you can create an account with your details. In the name field, enter the name you want associated with your workspace. This is just for identification inside the console, so choose something clear and professional. Next, type in your email address. Use an inbox you check regularly so you don't miss important notices about your projects. Then create a secure password. Go for a strong combination that's long, unique, and hard to guess. A good approach is to use a password manager so you don't have to memorize it. Before you proceed, you'll see a checkbox. Check this to confirm you accept the terms and policies. It's always a good idea to quickly review those so you know how your data is handled. If there are any optional communications or updates checkboxes, set them to your preference. Once everything looks good, your name, email, password, and the checkbox, click the Sign Up button to create your account. Appwrite will process your details and take you into the Cloud Console. From here, you can start creating projects, setting up authentication, databases, storage, and more, all within the same platform. That's it. Go to the Appwrite website, start building for free, choose Sign Up, either continue with GitHub or enter your name, email, and password, check the box to agree, and click Sign Up. You're ready to explore your new Appwrite account and begin building. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your development journey with Appwrite.